Hey guys, this is Northville Tay. In this video, we're going to show you how to activate your Wells Fargo debit card. We will also put links in the description below for various banks that offer various sign-up bonuses for opening a checking account. To start, open the website wellsfargo.com/activate-card. You will then be directed to this page. To proceed, sign in with your username and password. Next, enter your debit card security code and PIN. If you don't know your PIN, click on the option that says I don't know my PIN, and it will show you how you'll find your PIN. After entering, click on Activate My Card button. And now your card has been activated. That's how you activate your Wells Fargo debit card. Thank you so much guys for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.